Hi anatomists! Draw the cervical plexus with me. The cervical plexus provides motor innervation for the infrahyoid muscles and sensory innervation for much of the neck. Let's start with the motor innervation. First, coming off of C3, C4, and C5, we have the phrenic nerve, which provides innervation for the diaphragm. Next, we'll move on to the ansa cervicalis. The ansa cervicalis has an inferior root and a superior root. The inferior root comes off of C3 and C2, and the superior root comes off of C1. Note that the word ansa means loop or handle in Latin. Coming off of the inferior root, we have the inferior omohyoid, which provides innervation for the inferior omohyoid belly. And coming off of the superior root, we have the superior omohyoid, which provides innervation for the superior belly of the omohyoid. We also have the sternothyroid and the sternohyoid. Coming off of C1, we also have nerves for the thyrohyoid as well as the geniohyoid. Let's move on to the sensory nerves. Coming off of C2, we have the lesser occipital. Coming off of C2 and C3, we have the greater auricular, which goes up towards the ear. Also coming off of C2 and C3, we have the transverse cervical. This goes across the neck. And then coming off of C3 and C4, we have the supraclavicular, which has three main branches. We should also note that cranial nerve 12, the hypoglossal nerve, travels along with C1. Let's think about what would happen if any of these were damaged. If the phrenic nerve were damaged, the diaphragm might lose function. If the ansa were damaged, the infrahyoid muscles might lose their function. And if any of the sensory nerves were damaged, sensation may be lost in the corresponding areas.